Hey everyone, it's Monica. Welcome back to my channel. We're talking Portland leather goods today and we're talking sea sail bags. So I have 2 sea sail bags here today. One more will follow a few days from now, but I just wanted to film this quickly and get this up because I love watching people unbox their sea sail bags. I think it's super fun. If you're not familiar with the sea sail, basically Portland Leather Goods sells premium bags, that would be like A grade, and then AP bags would be like B grade, and then C grade is not the worst of the worst. That's not what it means by any means, but it could be a bag with a flaw, could be a bag that's in a color that has never been released on the website, could be a bag in a color that they just had a small batch of that color of leather and it never went to full production. So you never know what you're going to get. You get to choose the style, but you don't get to choose the color. So today I have a classic size poppy and a small bucket bag. Let's get into it and see what I got. I'm very excited. Here is my first sea sail bag for this go around. I'm pretty sure this is the small bucket bag. Okay, it feels pebbled. That's always great. I love pebbled leather for a bucket bag. Let's check it out. Oh, I think this might be Mantis. I have 0 items in Mantis. This is fun. Total score. This is so cool because I did 2 orders for the sea sail. My first order had a couple bags that I wanted, one of which was canceled and refunded, but the other one is still on its way. And then I went back in maybe 15 minutes later when there was still some styles remaining, and one was the small bucket bag. And I only actually have one small bucket bag and it's nutmeg. So this is quite a change. Oh, wow. I've never even felt Mantis, but my first impressions are the inside is very, very soft. The pebbles look very, very even. Yay, small bucket bag. So here is the small bucket bag in Mantis as a long shoulder carry on me. I'm a short lady, so that's why it's a little long on me. I could add a hole or 2 to the strap. Sometimes I do that. And oftentimes what I do with my bucket bags is I actually modify them and I switch out the little D-rings. I have a video about that actually. People have found it very useful to just snip the rings, switch them out, and then your strap is still intact, but you can also use a different strap. Like PLG sells really fun, colorful ones. Oh, this is so cool. I'm so excited. Here is the Mantis small bucket bag as a shoulder carry. This bag is so cute. I'm so excited. And what a fun spring summer color. This is a total win. I'm going to open the classic poppy next, and after that we'll do some color comparisons for both bags because I'm always interested when I see a new color, how does it compare to some other colors? I have here my classic poppy. I haven't seen it yet. I always like to feel, oh my goodness, I think I know what it is just by touching it. It's not pebbled, if that gives you a hint. I've been watching the colors people are getting. So my guess, I'll say my guess and we'll see if I'm right. My guess is Foxglove. Let's see. It is Foxglove. Foxglove is a gorgeous brushed leather and it feels so, so nice. I have a large camera bag in Foxglove, but nothing else. So this is a great addition to the collection. The classic poppy, very, very soft. This is a great bag. Classic poppy has a zip closure, pocket on the outside, pocket on the inside. It's really, really a workhorse of a bag. Here is the classic poppy purse as a crossbody. This is what the strap was set on straight out of the box. So cute. I love the poppy purse. It's such a classic silhouette. And here is the classic poppy as a long shoulder bag. This is with the strap set on the shortest setting for me. And again, I could add another hole. Or the great thing about the poppy is that this strap is already removable. So it makes it really, really easy to switch out for something fun. Now that we know what color each bag is, Mantis and Foxglove, I'm going to grab some color comparisons. First, let's do some color comparisons for Mantis. I grabbed my classic Devon bag in Sugar Snap, and you can see Sugar Snap is much lighter than Mantis. Mantis is a much deeper green. It reminds me so much of Green Apple, which I don't think I have anything Green Apple to compare, but I feel like Mantis is almost pebbled Green Apple. Maybe. It's a guess. But this is Sugar Snap and Mantis. Here is my Wasabi Large Naomi compared to Mantis. You can see Wasabi is brighter and lighter. Finally, here's my large Eclipse bag in Pine. That's a pretty close comparison. Mantis is definitely lighter and brighter. So Mantis is somewhere between Wasabi and Pine in my collection. Again, I feel like it's pretty similar to Green Apple. I forgot, I do have something in green apple. I have a quesadilla wallet. Look at that. That is a great match. So Mantis is indeed kind of pebbled green apple. I'm so excited about this color. This is such a fun little bag. Next, let's do some color comparisons for this classic poppy in Foxglove. I really wish you could feel Foxglove. Of any of the brush leathers that I've felt, I'm talking deep water, velvet brown, velvet blue, all of them, I just feel like Foxglove is really the softest. So this is a gorgeous, wonderful bag. Can't stop touching it. This first one is not a very close comparison, and I knew it wouldn't be, but this is the large camera bag in Orchid. So if you have an Orchid bag, Poppy is much lighter, much less vivid, much more muted pink. Here is Poppy compared with Kyoto, which is so sad that we don't have any Kyoto bags right now. I hope they bring Kyoto back. I hope it's not just retired for good. Kyoto leans a little more purple. Foxglove leans a little more pink. And that's funny, these are the same style of bag, if you're wondering. This is a classic Poppy as well. The final comparison is Calla Lily, and this is a medium koala bag in the color Calla Lily. I have the strap tucked away for now, but these are kind of fun to compare. I feel like Calla Lily leans a bit cooler, a little more purpley pink, and Foxglove, it turns out, is kind of a warmer, maybe slightly more neutral pink, like a dusty rose, a mauve. So fun. What do you guys think? Did you participate in the sea sale? I'm kind of loving these three colors, the sky blue of my shirt and this Mantis and this classic Poppy in Foxglove. Everything's just kind of working right now. These are both wonderful bags. I really see like no faults with them at all. I think this one might be a unicorn because I don't think Mantis has ever been available on the website. Foxglove has been available on the website, but honestly, I don't know if it's come out in the classic Poppy, so I'm a little unsure. Maybe someone can educate me in the comments. Is a Foxglove Poppy a unicorn or maybe not? Either way, I don't really care. These bags are so lovely. Thank you, Portland Leather, for doing fun things like the sea sale. It's a blast. Thank you everyone for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye!